Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be making one of these beautiful vases. We're going to be using toilet paper rolls, spray paint, hot glue,
and a recycled glass jar.
First, I'm going to start by flattening my toilet paper rolls. Now I'm going to cut them in half and then cut those halves in half. So I'm going to get 4 pieces per toilet paper roll. I used 8 toilet paper rolls. Also, make sure that you clean your jar, remove all adhesive, or your toilet paper rolls will not stick properly. So now I'm adding glue to one end of the petal and I'm sticking them to the jar. I'm trying to keep the distance between them as even as possible. I'm going to speed this up to make this go a lot faster, but this is actually pretty cool and it's really, really easy, guys. So if you're looking to try something easy and that's nice, then here it is. It took me about 20 minutes to complete this project. I'm just going to keep on adding them until I get up to the top. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Also, try to make one too, guys. I'd love to see them. I got this really nice gold metallic spray paint that I'm going to use to cover this up. It's going to look great. But it actually looks pretty cool with the toilet paper roll color, though. The tan, it looks really nice either way. But I know the spray paint is going to definitely finish it off nicely. There it is. All right, guys, we're spray painting. Let's go. I did 2 layers of spray paint. Well, 2 coats of spray paint, excuse me. I let it dry. And there you have it, guys. Look at that. I'm going to add some flowers. There it is. Woo! It came out great. Please like, comment, subscribe.